Hello everyone, let's start standing today. Let's keep the feet separated, hip width apart, toes pointing forward. Hands on hip. We'll bend both knees and fold forward. So bringing the belly nice and close to the thigh. Start relaxing your shoulders, neck and head. Let's hold on to our opposite elbows. So drop your hands down, holding on to your opposite elbows. Inhale, take a deep breath in. Exhale, closing the eyes. And for the next few breaths, every time we exhale, let's try our best to relax our upper body. Chest, shoulders, neck, face, and let the head hang loose. Keeping the eyes closed, start pressing the feet nice and firm. Tighten both thighs and see how far can you stretch your legs out, straightening the knees. Start deepening your exhales. We'll stay here for 5 more breaths. Exhale out fully. Eyes open. Hands on hip, coming up slowly. Let's join our feet together. Hands by the side of the body. Inhale, stretching arms to the sides, lengthen spine. Joining the palms together, looking up. Exhale, join the elbows, bring the palms down, gazing at the fingertips. Chin down. Inhale, stretch arms to the sides, looking up. Exhale, elbows together, gaze at fingertips. Inhale. Tighten both thighs, belly in. Exhale. 2 more times. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Let's interlace fingers, stretching both the arms up. Shoulders down. We'll fix the gaze at one point. Exhale out fully, draw the belly in. Inhale, coming onto the toes. Exhale, heels down, palms on top of your head. Inhale, tighten thighs, belly in. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last one to hold. Inhale. Tighten both your thighs. Engage your calf muscles also. We'll stay there for 5, 4. Keep tightening your thighs. 3, 2, and 1. Release. Let's bring the hands on hip and we'll separate the feet, medium stance. Not too small and not too wide. Toes pointing forward to start with. Let's turn the right foot out for Trikonasana. Let's bend the left knee. We're going to bend the left knee and press the outer edge of the left foot nice and firm. So keeping that engagement of your outer feet, slowly start stretching the left leg. So both knees straight. Let's stretch both arms out. Inhale here. Let's slide towards the right side. Soft bend in the right knee. Exhale, right fingertips down. Left arm reaching. So lean back with your chest and keep pressing the outer edge of the back foot nice and firm. With the right knee is nicely bent, start engaging your tummy and slowly work on straightening your right leg out. Keeping the chest lifted, turning the gaze. 5 deep breaths out. Keep minimizing the weight on your right fingertips. Exhale out fully, draw the belly in. Inhale, lengthen spine, lean back with your chest. Exhale, hands on hip, coming up slowly. Let's do it on the other side. Right foot in and the left foot out. So the hip is facing forward. we'll bend the right knee to press the outer edge of the foot nice and firm. With that engagement, let's straighten the right leg out. Tighten both thighs. Inhale, stretch arms up. Slide towards the left side. Exhale, left fingertips down. Right arm reaching up. Draw the belly in. Press both feet firmly. Lean back with your chest. Looking up. 5 deep breaths out. Exhale out fully, draw the belly in. Inhale, lift chest, lean back. Exhale, hands on hip, come down. Let's deepen the posture. Left foot in, right foot out. So start pressing the outer edge of the back foot firmly. Tighten both thighs and just visualize that thighs are rolling out. So engaging your glutes also. Inhale, stretch both arms out. Bend the right knee softly. Exhale, see if you can come down. Either fingertips inside the right foot or holding on to the right big toe with the first 3 fingers. So if you're holding on to the big toe, nice and tight grip. The fingertips are down. Minimize the weight on the right fingertips. Exhale out fully, draw the belly in. See if you can straighten both legs up. And slowly turning the gaze. Keep lifting the chest up, lean back with your chest. 5 deep breaths out. If your hands have not reached down, with every exhale, try to slide your right fingertips down. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, let's look down. Hands on hip, slowly come down. Right foot in and left foot out. Press the outer edge of the right foot nice and firm. Soft bend in the left knee. Tighten both thighs, thighs rolling out. Inhale, stretch both your arms out. Exhale, left fingertips either inside the foot or holding on to the big toe. If that's not happening, anywhere on the left leg, and you can explore walking the left fingertips down with every exhale. Straighten both thighs, belly in, chest up and looking up. 5 deep breaths out. Inhale, take a deep breath in. Exhale, let's look down. Hands on hip, come down. Again turning the left foot in, right foot out. Inhale, stretch both arms out. And exhale, right fingertips down. Anywhere on the right leg, or you're going to hold on to the right big toe. Left arm reaching up. Let's look forward. Inhale, lift chest up. Exhale, stretching the left arm over your head. Nice and slow. Stretch the left arm completely. And only if you're comfortable gazing at your left fingertips. Straighten left elbow. 5 deep breaths here. Exhale out fully. Let's look down. Hands on hip. Come down. We'll do it on the other side. Right foot in, left foot out. Tighten both thighs. Inhale, stretch arms up. Exhale, coming down. So any position of your left hand that's comfortable for you. Draw the belly in. Let's look forward. Inhale here, lift chest up. Exhale, stretching that right arm over your head. Keeping the elbow as straight as possible. If you're comfortable, gazing at your right fingertips. 5 deep breaths out. Stretch the right arm out completely. Exhale out fully, looking down, hands on hip, coming up. Let's turn the left foot in. So pressing both your feet firmly for a forward fold. Knees softly bent. Inhale here, exhale, bringing your chest halfway down. So the belly is in, rib cage is lifted and trying to move forward to keep the spine nice and tall. Straighten both your thighs. Let's just stay here, working on straightening both the legs out. So chest is moving forward and the hips are lifting up and moving back. Let's breathe. 5. Nice and broad shoulders. 4. 3. Keep tightening both your thighs. Lift hip up. 2. And 1. Exhale out fully. Inhale, coming up to standing. Eyes closed for a few seconds. Moving awareness to both our legs. Take a long breath in and exhale through mouth. Eyes open. We'll press the feet again firmly. Bending knees, bringing the chest halfway down. And let's bring our fingertips down. So for that, if you have to bend the knees even more, go ahead and do that. Avoid arching your lower back. Okay? Rather rounding your lower back. Sorry. Okay? First step, tighten both thighs. Try to straighten your legs out till the body is allowing you. Belly is in, lift chest up. And slowly start walking your hands forward without moving your hip. Nice and broad shoulders. With every inhalation, lift chest up, walk your hand one step forward. Exhalation, squeeze your belly in and try to move the hip back. We'll stay here for 5, 4, 3. See if you can straighten your knees out completely. Lift your sit bones up. 2. And 1. Exhale out fully. Let's walk our hands back. Bend both knees. Hands on hip. Coming. Let's separate the feet nice and wide for warrior 2. We'll turn the right foot out. So right foot and the left foot are in line. Bringing the right knee on top of the ankle. Step 1. So see if you can bring the right thigh parallel to the floor. We'll bend the left knee to press the outer edge of the left foot nice and firm. And start straightening the left knee as you're rolling the left thigh out. I repeat, we'll bend the left knee, press the outer edge of the left foot nice and firm. And straighten the left knee by rolling the thigh out. And then see if you can sink the hip lower, pointing the tailbone down. Keep moving the right knee out. Draw the belly in, stretch both arms up and turning the gaze towards the right fingers. So keep pointing the tailbone down by drawing the belly in. And with every exhale, try to lower the hip without moving the right knee in too much. Breathe. 5, 4, 3. Keep moving the right knee out. Keep pressing the outer edge of the back foot firmly. 2. Exhale, let's sink the hip down a little bit more. Inhale, take a deep breath in. Hands on hip, straightening the right knee. Let's turn the right foot in and the left foot out. So take your time. We'll bend the left knee and bringing the knee on top of ankle. And let's bend the right knee as well, pressing the outer edge of the right foot firmly. As we're straightening the right knee, roll the right thigh out, sinking the hip down. Chest is lifted. Draw the belly in, tailbone reaching down. And finally, we'll stretch both our arms out. Tummy in, gaze towards your left fingers. And keep moving the left knee out as you try to sink your hip lower. We'll stay there for 5. Nice and strong arms. 4, 3, 2. Inhale, take a deep breath in. Exhale, lowering the hip one more step down as we're moving the left knee out. Hands on hip. Straighten left knee. Let's point the left foot in right foot out again. Okay. Same stance of the feet, bringing the right knee on top of ankle. Inhale, stretch arms out. Exhale, right fingertips inside the right foot. Keep the chest lifted up and left arm reaching up. So nice and active left hand and minimal weight on the right fingertips. Let's turn our gaze up towards the left fingers. 5 deep breaths out here. So keep moving the right knee out and keep pressing the left foot firmly as you are rolling the left thigh out. Breathe. Strengthen both your legs. Exhale, lower the hip down, keeping the chest lifted. Inhale, take a deep breath in. Hands on hip, exhale, coming down. We'll do it on the other side, Parshvakonasana. Right foot in, left foot out. Let's bring the left knee on top of ankle. Sink the hip lower. Inhale, stretch arms out. Exhale, left fingertips down inside the left foot. Right arm reaching up. So minimal weight on your left fingertips. Stretch the right arm out completely and turning the gaze up. 5 deep breaths out. Keep tightening your right thigh. Exhale out fully, sink the hip lower, lift chest up. Inhale, take a deep breath in. Hands on hip, exhale, come down. Left foot in, right foot out. Same practice, we are just going to stretch the left arm over the head. Right knee on top of ankle. Inhale, stretch arms out. Exhale, right fingertips inside the right foot. Lean back with your chest and stretching the left arm over our head without collapsing the chest down. So keep the chest nice and open and choice to gaze at your left fingertips. 5 deep breaths out and keep minimizing the weight on your right fingers. Exhale out fully, hands on hip, come down. Right foot in, left foot out, bringing the left knee on top of ankle. Inhale, stretch arms up. Exhale, left fingertips down. Lift the chest up, lean back with your chest and stretching the right arm overhead. Gazing at the right fingertips. 5 deep breaths out. Exhale out fully, hands on hip, coming up. Let's walk the feet closer. Hands remain on hip, eyes closed for a few seconds. Relax your shoulders, jaws. And moving awareness to our breath. Exhale out fully, opening the eyes. Let's join the feet together for Vrikshasana. We'll shift the body's weight towards the left foot and placing the right foot anywhere on the left leg but the knee. So start pressing the right foot against the left thigh and the left thigh is pressing against the right foot. Nice and strong legs, pointing the right knee out. Tummy in. Once you have found your balance, stretching your arms up and choice to join your palms together. Keep gazing at one point. Inhale, take a breath in, hands on hip. Exhale, right foot down. Eyes closed. And moving awareness to our left leg. Let's switch sides, shifting the body straight towards the right foot. We'll place the left foot anywhere on the right leg but the knee. So nice and strong legs, pointing the left knee out, belly in, and slowly stretching both arms. Gaze at one point, awareness with our breath. Inhale, take a breath in, hands on hip. Exhale, left foot down, eyes closed. Moving awareness to our right leg. Let's open our eyes, preparing for Garudasana. So join the feet together. Press the knees nice and firm and squatting down halfway. When I say halfway, don't lower the hip too down, just bringing the hip one step down. Let's bring the right thigh on top of left. So fix the gaze at one point and you're trying to wrap your thigh from your inner thighs. Now choice to stay here. See if you can point your right toes out and placing the back of the right foot behind the calf muscle, left calf muscle. See if you can take a double bind. Sink the hip down a little bit more, tummy in, stretching both arms forward. Choice to stay here. Otherwise, left upper arm on top of right. Join the back of the palm together. See if you can crisscross your palms, joining your palms. So either single bind in your hand or double bind. So wherever you are, moving the elbows nice and away from the face. And choice to sink your hip lower with your exhales. Staying here for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hands on hip, eyes closed, moving awareness to left foot. Let's do it on the other side. Eyes open. Squat down a bit. Press the knees nice and firm to start with. Shifting the body weight towards the right foot. We'll bring the left thigh on top of right. Single bind or double bind with legs. Choose. Draw the belly in, stretching your arms forward. Right upper arm on top of left. Either single bind of hand or double bind. Garudasana. Choice to sink your hip lower with every exhale. Stay there for 5, 4. You're losing balance. Look down at one point. 3, 2, and 1. Slowly coming out. Hands on hip. Eyes closed. Relaxing your shoulders and jaws. Moving awareness to right leg. Opening the eyes. Let's do one more forward fold to open the shoulders as well. So feet separated, medium stance, toes pointing forward. Bend knees softly. We'll take both hands behind our back, interlacing fingers. Let the elbows be bent. Roll your shoulders back and down. So as though you're pushing your shoulder blades down, and then try to stretch your arms out fully. Inhale, take a deep breath in, lift chest up, and exhale, start folding forward from your hip. So belly tries to come between your thighs, followed by your chest tension. Now slowly work on straightening both your legs up. The minute you feel your spine is rounding too much, bend knees. If you're comfortable here, dropping your head down, moving awareness to your shoulders. With every exhale, try to bring your interlaced palm a little bit more over your head. Staying here for the next 7 to 8 breaths. Let's bring the chin to chest. See if you can move your hands a little bit more over your head. You stay there for 3. Deep breaths out. 2. And 1. Exhale out fully. Eyes wide open. Knees bent. Let's come up slowly. Sitting in Vajrasana. Letting the hips settle between your heels. Palms on knees, straight spine, eyes closed. Watch your heartbeat, watch your breath. Let's open our eyes, bringing the hip down. We'll bend the left knee, bringing the heel closer to the hip. The right foot in front of us. First step, let's hold on to the right foot with both hands. Press the left thigh down, sit up straight. And then lifting the right shin, bringing it parallel to the floor. We'll move the knee outside a bit so that you can start moving the right knee through your armpit. So avoid turning the foot to the side. Foot is exactly in place, your heel is exactly in place of your knee. Straight spine, and with every exhale start to move the knee back. Breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Keep holding on to the right foot with your left hand. You'll bring the right shoulder inside the knee. So you're moving the hand through the leg, holding on to the right foot. Now start moving the knee back, sitting up straight. We'll stay there for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now see if you can stretch your right hand out, fingertips down. Holding on to the right foot, outer edge with your left hand. Exhale out here, draw the belly in. And inhale, slowly start straightening your right leg. As you twist, open your chest towards the left side. So as though you're looking through your left armpit, trying to stretch the leg and twist. Breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Exhale, release. It's okay if you are stuck in the posture. Till you are trying to do your best, that's more than enough. Let's bring the right heel closer to the hip, left foot in front of us. Holding on to the left foot with both our hands. Sitting up straight, let's bring the left shin parallel to the floor. Press the hips down, lift chest up, and start moving the left knee through the armpit. 5 deep breaths up. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's bring the left shoulder inside the knee, holding on to the foot. Straight spine, start moving the knee back. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Without dropping the left leg, let's stretch the left arm out and hold on to the outer edge of your left foot with your right hand. So right elbow will start pointing up. Exhale out fully. Inhale, slowly start twisting your upper body towards the right side as you're stretching the left leg out. Breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release. Let's settle down in child's pose for some time. Separating the knees, mat width apart. Big toes touching each other. Move the hips back. Stretch both your arms out. Forehead down. Listening to our own breath. Exhale out fully. Let's come up to a kneeling down position. So we're on our knees, hands on hip. We're going to place the right foot where the right toes are pointing to the side and your right knee hip is in one line. Hands on hip. First adjust the posture and the stance. So the hips are wanting to move forward and you have nice access towards your right foot. First step, inhale here. Exhale, let's bring the right fingertips down. Left hand remains on hip. Now if this is itself uncomfortable, stay here. Start rolling your left shoulder out. If you're comfortable here, dip the right shoulder down and see if you can bring the right arm through the left knee, placing the right palm down. So ideally your right palm is outside your right foot. Choice to stay here, lean back with your chest, see how you feel. And only if you're comfortable here, we'll point the right toes up, holding on to the outer edge of the right foot with the left hand. Similar to the previous posture, draw the belly in. With the next inhale, lifting the right foot off. Try to straighten your right leg as you're opening the chest towards the front. Breathe. 5, 4, looking through your left armpit if possible. 3, 2, and 1. Release. Let's come back to kneeling down position. Hands on hip, eyes closed for a few seconds. Let's do the posture on the other side. We'll place the left foot in line with the right knee. So your left ankle knee is in one line and the hip is moving forward. Lengthen spine. First step, bring the left palm inside the left foot. Lean back with your chest. So you're opening the chest. Second step, dip the left shoulder down and bring the left palm through the left leg so that your palm is outside your left foot. Choice to stay here without sinking the hip down. Tummy in, lean back with your chest. See how you feel. Take one more breath here. Now slowly moving on to complete the posture. Point the left toes up, holding on to the outer edge of the left foot with your right hand. Squeeze belly in, exhale out, inhale, start straightening the left leg and open your chest up. Choice to look through your right arm. Breathe. 5, 4, 3, keep lifting just up, nice and strong left leg. 2, and 1, bringing the left foot down, sitting back in Vajrasana, palms on knees, straight spine, eyes closed. Preparing for 2 rounds of Kapalbhati. Forceful exhalation using our belly. So the only movement that you should feel is of your belly. Rest of the body remains still. Face remains calm and relaxed. Okay. Exhale out fully. 30 breaths first round. Inhale, take a breath in. Starting to practice now. Exhale out fully. Inhale, take a deep breath in. Hold the breath in, dropping the chin down. Chin up and exhale. Resume to normal breathing. Second round, 50 breaths out. Straight spine, shoulders relaxed. Exhale out fully, draw the belly in. Inhale, belly out. Starting the practice now. Exhale out fully. Deep breath in. Hold breath in, chin down. Chin up. Exhale out. Let the eyes remain closed and make a fist with both our thumbs. Thumb inside, other four fingers outside. Turn your palms around and placing your palms on top of your thighs or knees. Elbows relaxed, shoulders relaxed. Lengthen spine. Keeping the belly in, start using your rib cage to breathe in and out. So when you are inhaling, let the rib cage expand in all directions like a cylinder. Exhale, rib cage contracts towards the spine. Keeping the eyes closed, complete awareness with the expansion and contraction of the rib cage. Staying here for the next 1 minute. Try and make your breath as long and slow as possible. Complete your exhalation and keeping the eyes closed, slowly lying down onto the mat. Bringing both knees close to the chest, wrap your hands around. Let the eyes remain closed. Take a breath in. Exhale, bringing your forehead to knee, Pavana Muktasana. Press the thighs nice and close towards your upper body. Take a deep breath in. Squeeze into a tiny ball. Exhale, stretching your legs and arms out to Shavasana. Separating the feet, mat width apart. Let the feet flop to the sides naturally. Hands nice and away from the body, palms facing up. Start relaxing your shoulders, back of the head, forehead, eyelids, cheeks, jaws, tongue, chest, belly. So watch your body settle down onto the mat. Let's join the tip of the thumb and the index finger gently. Keeping our awareness with the gentle touch that we are feeling in our fingers. Complete stillness in the body. Shavasana. Awareness back to body and breath. Keeping the eyes closed. Start moving your toes, fingers. Head from side to side. Joining the feet, point your toes out. Let's interlace fingers, stretching both the arms out. Inhale, deep breath in. Hold the breath in and give a good stretch to your body. Stretch, 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 stretch. And release. Bend both knees, roll to any one side. And keeping the eyes closed, coming up to seated. Simple cross leg. Palms in front of chest, straight spine. Rough palms together. Once you feel the warmth in your palms, placing them on your eyes. And slowly blink open into your palms. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Have a lovely day. I'll see you all in the next practice. Take good care of yourself. Bye.